Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to explore the incredible power of Google's Autodraw feature and learn how to create stunning custom icons. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Icons are the visual language for our digital world, and with Google's Autodraw, you can transform your sketches into polished, professional icons. To get started, first we need to search for the Autodraw. Here in the Google, just write Autodraw, and here just select this one. Here, just click on Start Drawing. And there you have it. And that's our blank canvas. Begin by sketching your icon concept on the canvas. Don't worry about being a professional artist. Autodraw will assist you in refining your sketch. Suppose you need an icon for a sun. Just draw a circle. Here, just try to stick like this. And once you do that, you see there are tons of options coming from up here. Select any one of these, and this will create a sun for you. And just like that. You see I had this rough sketch. Now with this sketch, I made a sun just from like that. There are tons of options you can choose from. Let's go with this one. And if you want to make some changes to this one, just select this. And here, select the color that you want. Let's use this orange. And select our fill. If you want to change the color of some specific parts, let's select this fill and place it right here. And there you have it. And if you want to change the background, just click this. And there you go. And here's you can change the background of this as well. You can make some customization to this. Now, for example, if you want to delete the background, here select the fill and then select any color that you want, for example, white, and do this. And there you have it. Now to save this icon, just click on these three dots and click on download. And there you go. Now you have downloaded the icon just like that. Now let's make some more of icons. To delete this, select this and hit on delete. Again, select this tool, the Autodraw. If you want to sketch your own, just select this one and change color to black and then draw anything that you want. Use this one to Autodraw from that. For example, if I do this, here on the top you can see there are some suggestions. You can create waves with this, or you can create some of the barn, some of the plants, and just like that. Now select both of these and hit and delete. Select the Autodraw. Now for this time, let's make a book. And just like that, we have these tons of options to choose from. Here, select this one or this one to have your own book. Here are some of the options here as well. Let's choose this one. Now let's customize this. Select the fill and now select the color. Let's change the stroke color to this one. Add some color here and here as well. And there you have it. Now you have created an icon for a book in just few easy steps. Now again, to save this, just select these three. Here, click on download. And your download will start. Also, you can write some text on this. Now select all of these and delete them. Let's go to the third example. For this one, let's draw an egg. And there we have it. Now you can choose this one or a drag tag. or this Easter egg, just like that. Now to make some changes, again you can select the fill. Now select your color. Here let's select the invert color. This one's green. This one is red. And this one has blue. And let's choose this color as a background. And there you have it. And just like that, you have made yourself an egg icon in just few easy steps. Now to save this, just simply again click on this and then click on download. The download will start, and there you go. You can create multiple icons in one single drawing page. Select this. Now let's draw a tree. And just like that. Now you see you have made yourself a tree. You can change its position. Here select this and place it on the middle. Now to change its color, you can simply just click on here. Select your color. I'll use this color. And I'll select the fill and choose its color. And again, if you want to change its color in the background, and now you have drawn a tree for yourself. Let's select both of these and place it right here. And now let's again. And now for this time, let's draw a t-shirt. For that, I will draw just like that. And there you go. You have tons of these options to choose from. And it's just easy like that. And let's use this one. Choose the fill. Select the color. This color is not looking that good. Let's change it. This. Yeah, there you go. And there you have it. Google's Autodraw features provide a quick and efficient way to create custom icons without the need of advanced editing skills. It's a game changer for designers, artists, and anyone looking to add some personal touch to their projects. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.